With planning, business users can quickly and easily create as well as distribute reports to analyze the forecasted financials, ultimates and amortization, and profitability of your titles. On this P&L trend report, for example, we're looking at a monthly forecast out for the remainder of 2020 and into 2021. Here we have our revenue, our title cost of goods driving our title margin, with our title OPEX driving our overall contribution margin for all of our titles going out into 2021. These reports are great. We can drill down on the revenue and the cost details, as well as have an ad hoc experience on these reports. For example, if we want to slice and dice on title margin to understand our profitability by genre, we can quickly see where we need to focus our attention, where we may be under or overperforming from a genre perspective, or maybe drill further by all of our titles to understand from a specific title level where we need to, again, focus our attention. And because reporting is built in, it's a feature of planning, users can explore any information on any of their reports to understand the details and even drill back into the sheets driving that forecast, having all of your planning, your analytics in one single place.